This land is dry now, but soon it will become beautiful. This land is dry now, but soon it will become beautiful. Good vegetables start with healthy soil. Good vegetables start with healthy soil.
Today, I will begin my farm journey. Today, I will begin my farm journey.
First, I need to prepare the land. First, I need to prepare the land. I must remove the stones and weeds. I must remove the stones and weeds. Straight rows help plants grow better. Straight rows help plants grow better.
These little holes are for the seeds. These little holes are for the seeds.
Small seeds can create something amazing. Small seeds can create something amazing.
Every seed is a new beginning. Every seed is a new beginning.
Water will help the seeds wake up. Water will help the seeds wake up.
The soil looks healthy now. The soil looks healthy now. Farming needs patience. Farming needs patience. Let me check the soil again. Let me check the soil again. The farm is slowly becoming alive. The farm is slowly becoming alive. I must protect the young plants. I must protect the young plants.
Growing plants need fresh water every day. Growing plants need fresh water every day.
Every day, the plants grow stronger. Every day, the plants grow stronger.
Today was a good day for the farm. Today was a good day for the farm.
The plants look bigger this morning.
The plants look bigger this morning.
Clean soil helps healthy vegetables grow. Clean soil helps healthy vegetables grow.
The fresh wind makes the plants happy. The fresh wind makes the plants happy.
Look at these beautiful little flowers. Beautiful little flowers. The farm is full of life now. The farm is full of life now. The vegetables are finally growing. The vegetables are finally growing. These tomatoes will soon become red. These tomatoes will soon become red. Strong leaves help vegetables grow well. Strong leaves help vegetables grow well.
Soon this basket will be full. Soon this basket will be full. I feel proud of my little farm. I feel proud of my little farm.
The vegetables are ready to harvest now. The vegetables are ready to harvest now.
These tomatoes look fresh and healthy. These tomatoes look fresh and healthy.
The cucumbers grew very well this season. The cucumbers grew very well this season.
Fresh carrots come straight from the earth. Fresh carrots come straight from the earth.
My basket is filling with fresh vegetables. My basket is filling with fresh vegetables.
All my hard work was worth it. All my hard work was worth it.
Time to take the vegetables home. Time to take the vegetables home.
Fresh vegetables make the best meals. Fresh vegetables make the best meals.
Clean vegetables are ready for cooking. Clean vegetables are ready for cooking. Cooking with home vegetables feels special. Cooking with home vegetables feels special.
The vegetables smell so fresh and delicious. The vegetables smell so fresh and delicious.
Fresh vegetables taste wonderful. Fresh vegetables taste wonderful. Simple food brings real happiness. Simple food brings real happiness. A clean home feels peaceful. A clean home feels peaceful.
Let me look at my garden again. Let me look at my garden again. My little farm looks beautiful tonight. My little farm looks beautiful tonight. I feel calm and thankful today. I feel calm and thankful today. Farming gives peace to my heart. Farming gives peace to my heart. I am happy with my life. I am happy with my life.